She's like, I got nothing else to do.
Good job.
Very good.
Up, dude.
All right, cool. And I had the drink, and she's like, oh, no, it's fine. I'm going to get close to the company.
Nice.
She said company, but I'm sitting there thinking, oh, fuck, you mean your dad? I was like, just out of curiosity. And she goes, you know, it's pretty cheap.
Clean them up, clean them up.
She's like, what else can I do?
Sure.
Remember, just keep on the throttle.
What she said, you know,
There you go.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Good job.
Yeah, the $49 professional is, she's like, yeah, I can get that done in 15 minutes. I was like, well, shit, if you can make, she goes, I only make 25. I go, still, you do 4 of those in an hour, or even 2. So you're making 30 bucks an hour? Yeah. Well, 50, sorry, yeah, 50 bucks an hour. She loses 50.
A lot better than I make, I'll tell you that.
Oh, she get the drink for free?
I think he is for the other one.
Nice.
There you go.
Beautiful.
Only 4 points.
Good job.
3 minutes, 30 seconds. Plenty of time.
Remember to hug the leaf crack right.
Yeah.
Oh, it's time for 3 minutes.
Oh yeah, that's worth the money.
3 minutes, 20 seconds left.
I think that's
The KX 125, I think.
It says CZ4 Caddy.
with the exhaust via Sawzall.
Yes. At the cat.
Yeah.
He's got turn down on it though.
Oh, you think?
Oh yeah.
Why it's echoing off the pavement.
I thought he put it up to the back of the floorboard.
There you go. Like everybody feel it.
Extra heat.
Feel that power.
So you can take your heater core out. Weight savings.
Weight saving.
Turn that heater up.
Careful.
There's 5 points. 230 driver.
Get your tire up on that ledge.
Okay.
Got plenty of time.
What's the time?
2 minutes. Looking good. And most time so far here.
Got all day to finish this course.
Make sure you get that angry face in that photo.
Watch the gate.
Reverse.
Nice.
Pause time. Perfect.
Yep. 130.
You drive out of that with big or 4-wheel?
I made it perfect.
He landed perfect. He
I
drove
mean,
out of the
did you drive off of it with 4-wheel?
I think the press thing.
Look out!
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Slow it down. As soon as I came off, I put it back in 4-wheel though.
Yeah, okay.
You know what I mean? Was that a 9?
Where's the driver's time at?
119.
No time on.
Good job.
Progress.
Where's the finish?
Up that rock right there.
Backside right here.
Oh, okay.
1 minute, driver. progress.
Watch the drop off of the back tire.
45.
Nice.
You got it. You got plenty of time.
Hit it good.
35. Still plenty of time.
Points to hit both gates actually.
Good job, dude.
25. No pressure. Still got plenty of time. 20 seconds.
Watch the dismount.
Oh, yeah! Nice. Very good.